In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a word in Microsoft Word and replace it. Have you ever found yourself tirelessly scrolling through a lengthy document trying to find certain words or phrases to update or correct? Well, you're not alone. Today I'm here to walk you through a simple yet efficient way to search for a word in a Microsoft Word document and replace it with another. This skill can be a real time saver, especially when dealing with large documents. First things first, let's get started by navigating to the Microsoft website. Once there, you'll find a Sign In option. Clicking on this will begin the process of accessing your Microsoft account, which is necessary to reach your Word documents if you're using Microsoft's OneDrive or Word Online. Upon clicking Sign In, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email associated with your Microsoft account. After inputting your email, proceed by clicking Next. Now it's time for your password. Enter it carefully and click Next once more. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might be asked to verify your identity. If that's the case, simply follow the on-screen instructions. After you've successfully logged in, you might see a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in. Selecting Yes will minimize the need to log in each time you visit Microsoft's site, offering a quicker access in the future. Once logged into your account, navigate to All Microsoft from the dashboard. This will take you to a page where you can access all the Microsoft services linked to your account. From here, select OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service, where your Word documents are likely stored. In OneDrive, you'll notice a Sign In button yet again. This is just another layer of security, ensuring that your documents remain private and secure. After signing in, you'll be taken to your OneDrive's main page. Look for My Files, and under that you'll find Sample Documents, or a similar folder where your document might be saved. It's essential to keep your documents well organized in OneDrive, so you can quickly locate the one you need to edit. After locating your document, in our case, sample-document.docs, quote, click to open it. Once your document is open in Microsoft Word Online or your desktop app, we're ready to search and replace words. To find a specific word in your document, use the shortcut Ctrl+F on your keyboard. This opens the search function in Microsoft Word, allowing you to type in the word or phrase you're trying to locate. Typing the word will highlight all instances in your document, making it easy to see every occurrence at a glance. Now for replacing the word, this part is quite straightforward once you've used the search function to find the word. While the steps might slightly vary depending on your version of Microsoft Word, you're generally looking for a replace function, usually found under the Home tab in the Editing group. In some versions of Word, after hitting Ctrl+F, you might find an option to go to Replace directly from the search panel. When you click on Replace, a new dialog box appears. Here you'll enter the word you want to find in the Find What box, and the word you wish to replace it with in the Replace With box. You have the option to replace each instance one at a time or all at once, offering control over what gets changed in your document, and just like that you've learned how to efficiently find and replace words in your Microsoft Word documents, saving you invaluable time and ensuring consistency throughout your work. Remember, while these steps were demonstrated using Microsoft Word Online through OneDrive, the process is very similar if you're using the Word desktop application. In either case, knowing how to quickly find and replace words is a vital skill for anyone working with text documents, whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who likes to stay organized and efficient. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy editing and see you in the next video.